what's going on, beach bums? We're here in Cabo San Lucas. Today is Thursday, and this is our last stop, our last port stop. We wanted to get some souvenirs, and so one of the people out there told us, hey, you can get better deals at the flea market. They call it the Marina Mercado. So let me just show you. This is what the front looks like right here. Sorry for the background music. But anyway, that's the Marina Mercado. Inside, it's a big flea market. I'll take you inside. Basically, as soon as you get off the tender boats and stuff, you make a left, walk down just a little bit, and you'll see it there. So let me just turn you around here and see what it looks like in here. Just to give you a general idea. I mean, there's just aisles and aisles and aisles of stuff, and definitely easier to negotiate in here, just because out there, they kind of have you, especially if you don't know about the flea market. So just yeah, just check it out. In here, like I said, just aisles and aisles and aisles of places, shirts, hats, all those type of things. So yep, check it out. Definitely a good deal for sure. All right, we'll check back in with you later. We're gonna take a glass bottom boat later, do the tour of the different little areas here, Lovers Beach and the arches and all that stuff. So I'll check back in with you later. All right, beach bums, getting ready to head out on the glass bottom boat. We are headed out on the Bandido, and yep, here we go. We're boarding. Got a new hat. I don't know if you noticed that. Hold on, I gotta fix this. I don't like that flat brim. Not my thing. Oof, it's so hot and humid out here, guys. Hot and humid. All right, we're headed down out. We are on again. We're on the Bandido. So we are headed out to hit all the different places here, and then end up at Pelican Beach. And yeah, so I'll show you each stop as we stop. And so roughly everybody charges around the same price. It's about 15 bucks. So, you know, just keep that in mind when you're negotiating. Sometimes they'll say, yeah, 10 bucks, but you know, if you're planning on snorkeling, someone will have, say, 15 bucks, including the snorkeling gear. Anyway, just keep that in mind when you're negotiating. But kind of the base price is around 15 bucks. I was planning on not staying at the beach, so I was able to negotiate to $10 because they're gonna just bring me back versus having to come back for me. So just, again, just another thing to keep in mind. Oh, that's a cave.
This is the Pirates Cave.
Oh, Pirates Cave.
Look at the fish.
Oh my god, there's fish.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Oh, it's not. Wow. That's so cool. Whoa.
Whoa.
You see them?
Yeah, I can see them.
That's so crazy. Oh, there's all kinds of little ones.
Wow, I can't believe there's so many fish.
Oh my god, look at them all down here. Holy smell, look at all the fish. Damn. Look, right there. That's massive. The guy that's snorkeling over there, I just heard him say, there's a lot of fish. The guys that are snorkeling.
The formation is the Virgin Mary.
Oh, way up there. I see it.
It's the Virgin Mary.
That's the Virgin Mary all the way up there. The information. That's cool.
This cake is very, very famous here in Cabo because 2 people go in and 3 people.
This is Lovers Beach?
This is the Lower Beach.
Yeah. And the other side is Divorce Beach?
Is the San Cortez. You can recall a little hole in the kids' window, the Pacific window.
Oh, yeah.
There.
Right there. Oh, right here. Oh, right here. Oh, see that right there? Yeah. Very cool.
Wow. Window.
Yeah.
Going back.
That is awesome. Pacific window.
Okay, the right side is the rock formation. The rock formation is the Scooby-Doo cave.
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo. Right there.
Scooby-Doo cave?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
The right side is the famous arch.
The famous arch. There it is. There's the arch, Andrew.
Oh, looks like it's walking. Yeah. I wonder if someone will
That is cool. There you go, Scooby-Doo. The Scooby-Doo rock. That is cool. Those sea lions. That's awesome. That's the Lands End Rock. So you're going from the Sea of Cortez over to the Pacific Ocean. There we go. Now on the Pacific Ocean side. Whoa, yeah.
Yeah.
So Beach Bones, quick pro tip, if you're gonna be coming out and doing the snorkeling out here in Cabo, so you're gonna come in over here, as you can see, the water comes up, you know, waist high, knee high, depending on how tall you are. So just be prepared for that. You know, you're gonna end up coming out. So just make sure you're either wearing whatever you're gonna go swimming in or whatever. So just something to keep in mind. Alright, Beach Bums, I'm in Cabo. Been wanting to do that little fish spa where they nibble on your feet. It's been wanting to do that for a long time, so I stopped here. What's the name of this place?
The Fish Resort.
The Fish Resort in Cabo San Lucas. Come visit them, say hello. What's your name?
Abby.
I'm on YouTube. This is Abby over here. Come say hello to her. And it's 20 bucks and 15 minutes. So, all right, here, I'm gonna give you a little view of what's going on down here.